Disclaimer: to date, there is still no scientific evidence that steam inhalation therapy could cure or prevent viral infections such as COVID-19. Precautionary measures is strongly advised when trying the steam therapy, as steam may cause cold injury. It may also pose greater risks to health. This video was made for educational and entertainment purposes only. Self-medication is not advised. If symptoms persist, please consult your doctor immediately. How to fight COVID-19 virus with water and salt. If you happen to feel that you have symptoms of coronavirus, please try this. Believe it or not, you will feel fine and your breathing will loosen after doing this if the cause of the sickness is a virus. The virus stay inside the body and multiply in our respiratory system. If the virus will disintegrate inside your respiratory system, you'll be able to survive the sickness. You can do so by using salt and water. The things you'll need: 1 casserole of water, 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 blanket, 1 small stool. First, boil the water on the casserole, and when the water is boiling, drop the 3 tablespoons of salt and mix it until it dissolves. Put a lid or cover the casserole. Then take it out of the fire and place it in front of you. Cover yourself with blanket. Close your eyes and little by little open the lid of casserole and let the steam comes out. Don't open it fully until you can tolerate the heat of the steam. Still eyes closed. Absorb the steam through your nose and mouth to get hot air steam to your respiratory system. Do this until the steam is gone. The hot steam will cause your breathing to feel hot and your body to produce more sweat. The heat will kill the virus in your respiratory system, nose, mouth, and other parts of your body. The heat and salt helps to disintegrate and kill the virus. Doing this with precautionary measures will help yourself kill the virus naturally. Proverbs 17:22. A cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. Thank you for watching.